Oh, hey! How long you been there? Welcome back to our channel. So today we are talking about Peachskin Sheets. We got these from PeachSkinSheets.com. We're trying to do an upgrade to our, our guest room. We want people to feel comfortable, and we have some itchy sheets right now from what I've been told. So we went with Peachskin Sheets. These are 1,500 thread count. They are very lightweight, which is good. They give you great instructions on how to clean them. And you want warm or cold water, and then you just want about 20 minutes of like wrinkle-free in the dryer, and that's pretty much it. It says it has a great level of softness. This is for our queen bed. We got the dark blue color, which I think is very nice. So if you can see, that's dark blue, and they have like a nice breathable fabric to them. So their claim to fame is a couple different things. One, if you want really soft sheets, people go, well, you should get satin sheets. Well, then satin sheets are really slippery, and sometimes they snag if you have rough feet or if you have rough hands or nails or things like that. And they're just kind of like, I don't know, they're just slippery, you just kind of whatever. These aren't that. So very lightweight, very breathable, great moisture wicking airflow. So if you're kind of somebody that sweats a little bit at night, moisture wicking is kind of a good thing, right? You don't want to, I don't know, that's kind of nasty. Any of that's kind of nasty anyways. And also, they do give you a 30-day money-back guarantee. I was kind of joking around there, but they do give you that. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee for if you just don't like them, you don't like the feel of them, whatever. But there's a 1-year manufacturer's warranty against any defects. So I don't know what you get. Maybe if the deep pockets, maybe if one of the deep pockets that come with these happen to rip or something like that, you could send back, and that would be it. So we're going to give these a shot, but before we do, we always give it a quick wash. So we're going to take these all out. We're going to read the very detailed instructions on what to do with them. But at the end of the day, we are going to give them a quick wash and put them on a bed. Across the board, what these things have, deep pockets, so they'll hold tight so they don't pop off the ends and you don't have sheets on your bed. They breathe easy, they're thermal controlled, they wick moisture, they're hypoallergenic, which is always a big thing now with people. These are breathable, athletic, not sure why they're athletic, but poly microfiber, and so these are going to be great. We hope that our guests love them, but don't stay too long. Stay just long enough, and that's it. So we're going to give these a shot. They even fit on thicker mattresses. If you read this, it's got a lot of good things to it. So we're going to give these a shot. We're going to get them in the washing machine, and we'll put them on a bed, and we'll let you see what they look like.
2 weeks later.
Hi, so it's been 2 weeks since we've got the Peachskin Sheets, and we tried them out. We washed them. We had my mother-in-law sleep on them, and here's our feedback on it. It has deep pockets. We love that. It's moisture wicking sheets, so we love that. They wash really well as long as you follow the instructions, and they keep the color, which is really a nice thing as well. And overall, we really love the sheets because, frankly, they're not cool to the touch, but they're very lightweight, and so they feel very nice when you're sleeping on them. My mother-in-law even enjoyed them and said that she was looking at them for her house. So if you're looking to upgrade your sheets for your room, for your guest room, for your kids' rooms, these are really a good option for you. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. These are Peachskin Sheets, and we'll put a link in the description below so you can look at buying them for yourself.